Hey friends, welcome back for day 13 of Vlogmas. So I've combined both day 13 and day 12. So at the end of the video, you will see day 12 when we went out to look at Christmas lights, and I will also go back to where we went to see our Christmas parade. So all that will be in the video today. We decided to keep it fun by doing a cupcake decorating bake-off. So if you're just now joining in on the fun or finding my channel, hi, my name is Cookie. Welcome. I would love to have you here. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you love what you see. And to go ahead and let you guys know that Vlogmas is a collab with several of my friends. We do have Brittany and Maya, Desiree, Lika, and Lisa. All of their information will be linked down in my description box. And guys, we are all hosting giveaways on our channels, and you can find all the details for the giveaway down in my description box. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We're at the end of the video today. I hope that you all have enjoyed watching my kids bake and decorate their cupcakes. I was supposed to sit down and decorate with them, but Bryce decided he would join in on the fun, so I was perfectly fine with that. But I am so glad we are doing Vlogmas this year, and I am capturing so many memories with my kids, and I can always go back and watch these videos, so this is so special to me. Again, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me over on Instagram and turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to come back here each day for the giveaway updates, and follow all of my friends, subscribe to their channels, and we will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about guests.